Hello and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to fit one of these quad lock kits to a Indian Scout bobber. Okay, so it's pretty simple. When you go onto the quad lock website, you will be offered the handlebar version. So you can see here, this will clamp to a handlebar, of course. And then normally you get this quad lock piece here, which will click into one of the quad lock phone cases of your choice, depending on what phone you have. But you can see I've got this extra piece in the middle, which is the vibration damper, which of course helps the phone take all of the bad bumps on the roads, especially on motorcycles. So I highly recommend getting one of these, especially on the Indian Scout bobber with the hard suspension that these do have. Now you also get about 3, if I remember, rubber bushings in the kit, all different diameters, so you need to find the correct one for your handlebar. Now with the Indian Scout bobber, the handlebar diameter is pretty thin, so you can see what I've done on my bike is I've wrapped this black electrical tape around this area here. So what that does is it thickens up the handlebar diameter, so then when you put your rubber bushing on, like so, it now grips a lot better and it's got less chance of the clamp sliding up and down, because you don't want to be riding along and then the phone starts making its way down and it gets trapped between your fuel tank and your handlebar. You really don't want that to happen. So yeah, just pop a bit of electrical tape on, pop this rubber bush on, simply grab your quad lock clamp. You can see there I've taken the bolt off, so this is moving. Pop that round the rubber bush, and you'll see the 2 ends meet underneath, and then you just simply need to pop the screw in, which then clamps this together. So the bolt should be a Allen headed bolt. You may need to pinch the clamp quite tight together because obviously you thicken the diameter up. If it doesn't reach, then you've put too much electrical tape on, so just take a layer off each time until it clamps. Give the clamp a very good squeeze first, and then start tightening this Allen head up until it goes pretty tight. But don't over tighten this, because otherwise you will ruin the rivet that's inside the plastic. It will start turning round and then you'll have to get a new piece at the bottom, so you really don't want to do that. But that's literally it. So your phone case should be like this with the quad lock bit in the middle. Just turn this at a slight angle so all of the pins fit together. Give it a little push forward, twist it towards the fuel tank, and that's going absolutely nowhere. So you can see now every bump I go over, no matter how hard you hit this, this will go absolutely nowhere. I know it's very untrustworthy. You think naturally, because you see this phone moving when you're riding, that it's still going to come off. But believe me, I've done almost 8,000 miles with this clamp on my bike, all different weather conditions and loads of different road conditions, bumps, all sorts of stuff. And this has gone absolutely nowhere. It's never failed. So grab yourself a quad lock, I would. And it's probably one of the best purchases you'll make for the Indian Scout bobber. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one very soon.